What is going on, everybody? This is Lucian Lu from Easy Piano Hacks. In this video, we're going to go over how to do the polyrhythms in Fantasy Impromptu. We're going to stop on this beat, stop on the next beat, right? So this stuff right here comes in two parts. First, just to get the left hand, get that fluent without the pedal. Right? So get that left hand fluent. Then you go ahead, work on the right hand, keep the right hand fluent. Now here comes the part. So when you do this, you want to break it into chunks. It's called chunking, or I like to call it stop and go traffic. So what I mean is, you gotta go, we're gonna stop on this beat, stop on the next beat, right? What happens is we want to align the music where it comes together, where both hands, right hand and left hand, come together. So that's when you start at the beginning, right? So it'll take a little bit. It's like, for me, it took me like a while to get that. But the goal is that right there. You want to stop on the main beats. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So take as long as you need, but that's the goal, all right? And when you can get past that, then you can do 1, 2, and then 3, 4, as in, that's 1, 2. That's 3, 4. So really take, it's kind of like riding a bike. You're not gonna get it if you go too slow, because it's gonna be way too, unless you really can align it like perfectly, but you have to get some speed, some momentum going, and then you can kind of get left and the right and the left and the right, just like riding a bike. You gotta get some speed, some momentum going so that you can keep it up. So 1 to 2, pause, 2 to 3, pause. So like this. Hold it there. And you might be a little jagged at the beginning. I've gotten it down so it's even, right? But try to aim for as even as you can. You might sound like something like that. But as you start to play it more and more, you'll get the hang of it. Just make sure you're always aiming for the highest quality, the highest standard you can possibly do. Right? So do it for the entire piece all the way through. And that's going to be your challenge, okay? And then once you're able to kind of speed it up a little bit more, anytime I still have a problem, or if I come back from not playing it a lot, I still come back to this. It's not something that's, you know, we forget, or it's not something that we have to do, you know, only, you don't have to only do it once. You can come back to it all the time. So this is called chunking for a lot of people. You can chunk all kinds of stuff when you're learning new pieces. So always use as many different techniques as you can to learn something. And especially when it comes to something a little harder like this, polyrhythms, if it's new for you, this is a good way to do it. Okay, so practice chunking. Let me know how it goes. Tag me up in the video comments. Any questions, let me know.